Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add your iPhone 15 to the lost stolen IMEI.info database using your IMEI number. So first you have to have your IMEI number, so just dial this number in your phone app, or if it got stolen it should be somewhere in the box, I believe. And then enter it in the IMEI.info website right here. Press check IMEI, scroll down, and you'll find the lost device ad, and now you have to enter some information and your device will be added to the lost/stolen database. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.